Oh yeah. She showed up, but we were looking at the same time, and it was like, well, based off the rules, you're not necessarily supposed to have two different accounts in the same household. Well, you can only have three accounts within the same household.
Per yeah, exactly. So at that point, it's like either you doing two in one or one in one or however you want to do it.
So it's
So
kind of like I'll do it. Plus, she had a bunch of other obligations to deal with, especially with that class or that Jay Z group y'all got going on. So yeah, yeah,
trust me, I get it.
yeah. But
Well,
she's inspecting me every day. Tries to
I
get me.
know she be telling me she be like, Jamal said he made money today.
Mhm. Real
All
quick.
right, why you say why Jamal losing money? I'm like, it come with the game.
Yeah, yeah.
Come with the game. All right, Roger. I didn't take that. I did not take that, as you can see. If you did, it's not a bad move. It's just the fact that it done moved so much from the top. Like I always keep saying, that like by the time it finally did break that low, it was 60 pips down already. So you seen if you got in on the break of that low, like six, seven, eight, but it's so close to the end of the 30-minute candle, you might as well see how this 30 gonna close. Because at the end of the day, until this low break, this could be a down wick to continue up. Like I always say, this could be a down wick to continue up on the 1 hour. So the 30-minute will be a pretty good telling point. But let's see. Everything is set up now. I already got three people in the set on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and drop a link to the swap. Antonio, it's time for you to take a trade, young man. It's time. I'm feeling it. Let's see. Paste. You in control room. Bet. Oh, everything ready to go. Audio library playing, trade away. All copy into this one account. Connections. This is good. All these are following. Cool. I was hoping for a closure above, but all good. Facts. We got 2 minutes. Like I said, they done put me on restriction for a day. Jokingly speaking. But anyway, same shit every day. Daily bias. Gold has just been on a run as the last 2 weeks. So best moves are buy to go with the trend. But at the end of the day, I'm a scalper, so I can catch moves in any market. It don't really matter. So y'all know I start out by looking at the daily time frame, seeing what's going on. But as of the last couple of weeks, it's pretty obvious that we're in an uptrend. Then I go to the 4 hour, just kind of see and peek around, see what it's doing. We're bouncing back and forth, kind of just above here and below here. So we touch this support, and that's why we rejected right out of it. So, but y'all know mostly I mark my support and resistance levels off of the 1 hour. So I see buys, clear buys above there, clear sells below there. But there are opportunities in between here. Like, for example, taking this up into these resistances right here, because that is a pretty big range to take advantage of. But right now we're kind of in no man's land, like we always are when we come to the charts, quite honestly. I would say if we got under here, we would likely come down into here. And if we got under there, we likely come down to there, where these wicks have been coming down into, kind of that area. Where those wicks coming down into? this resistance right here. So resistances serve as supports the same way, vice versa. So we'll see if we can catch something because the 30-minute candle just closed. So now this is a newfound resistance up here. So honestly, I can move this down because that's really far away up there. If we get a closure above that now during a time of volume, I like us to definitely make our way up to the top of the range, up into here. And long term looking to come like up into here. So we definitely gonna see. But right now we just sitting in the middle of a range per usual. This is a range where price is just bouncing back and forth in the range. But what you want to see is a breakout to the upside to mirror these clean candles coming down, or a breakout to the downside to mirror those clean candles that were coming up. And so you can look for sales either under there, or to be super safe, you can look for sales under there. But either way, we're just waiting on a closure because right now we're just bouncing back and forth between here. What's the word, Roger? Looking like 9?
You know it, man.
We might as well start the stream, man. They didn't approve my payout until last night, so I couldn't trade this account. That was all.
Looking like 9.
Unless we get a closure above at 845. If we get a closure above at 845, next candle wicks down, re-breaks the 1 hour high right there, probably take it up. But this candle also hit right into this support right here. So the same way these candles kind of tapped into this little support area right there is the same way that this candle could have potentially tapped into this support area right there. Just to, the same way this closed under, retested, came down, the same way this closed under, retested, and could come down. So just waiting on volume really to kick in and push through all of that. To push through all that. But I'll chill out on the 15-minute now since we're waiting on a 15-minute closure. So if I got a closure above this or below this, I'll be confident enough to take it down. It's kind of hard keeping up with all these accounts. I ain't gonna lie, like what I need for each account and vice versa. I don't be trying to think about all that. I just try to trade and see where I end up at. But for example, on my Lucid trading accounts, I'm at 5,000 on each account, and I need 9,000. So we'll see if I can get that in the next 3 days with my big ass wrist that I'm using. And then on my Tradify accounts, I need to make like 4,500, and I'm at 2,400. So we'll see. What's that? Just over $2,000 in the next couple days, 3 days, 4 days. Marcus, did you tell me you have very little experience? Is that what you said?
Yeah, very little to no experience. So I'm just trying to
Okay. Gotcha. So we starting from ground zero.
for sure. Yeah, me and
Okay.
I'm rocking up.
Yeah, I got you. So man, it's you doing right. The best way to learn, obviously, is to tap in. Most importantly, be on here. But we also do have 8 hours of content in the 9 hours of content in our little course. But the best way to do it is just to tap into these every day. Basically, I have 3 methods of trading that I look at: breakouts, fakeouts, and breaks of daily highs or lows during times of volume, anticipating that volume is going to give a quick jolt down or a quick jolt up. But the safer bets are numbers 1 and 2. Breakout. I got a 15-minute candle to close outside of the range that rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and I got a candle to wick down to retest said resistance. I'm anticipating that during a time of volume, if I see that I have a 80 pip range, Lord knows I can catch 30, 40 of those. I don't need the whole range. I just want a piece of the pie. Same way as the way down. If I can get a candle that has that closes under here, retest up to here, I'm anticipating that if I have a 60 pip range, you can't tell me I can't get 25 to 30 of those. So that's just kind of the way I look at it when it comes to that. Then you have what's called a fake out. Candle closed below the range, but candle doesn't quite break the low and it closes back inside of the range. You're anticipating that, much like here, you're going to come down. What we would like is a wick down to kind of retest this support, but sometimes volume just kicks in. And at that point, you take it on up on the break of the high. All you're targeting is the range right here, the resistance. So breakout, closure above or below the range, fake out, closure below, nothing really happens. And then it closes back inside the range. That's when you take it back up on the break, anticipating that that's going to respect that low or that high. And break of daily high or low, here's a daily high. If it were to happen at 8 a.m., 8:20 a.m., 8:30 a.m., or 9:30 a.m., usually those are times of volume. So when it breaks these highs, even if you have areas right here like resistances, you're anticipating that volume is going to push you through all that. Same as the way on the low. If I broke this low today, I would anticipate that we should be able to come down into here. But ultimately, just keep showing up to the streams. Jamal, he's in the group now as well. He started, I think a month ago, if I'm not mistaken, and he's less than $2,000 away from his first payout on these prop firms. So we'll get into the prop firm side of things, where people think they need a lot of money to start, but we all like Top One Futures. I'm a real big Top One Futures fan, and they offer accounts for as small as, with my code, $38 a month, but with their code, $41 a month. And most of the guys in here do instant SIM funded accounts, which are you start as low as $238 a month, $388 a month, $478 a month. Like I said, with my code, it's a little bit less. You get 45% off rather than 40% off. My code is Trading Homes. And yeah, man, you can start an account and say you blow one of these, two of these, three of these. If you get one payout, it makes it worth it. And you didn't have to risk your money in the meantime. And that's the best part about it all. So I tell my story to everyone that starts out new. So when I first started these accounts, I got them when they were a crazy deal. So I got 3 150K accounts for $1,300, $399, $399, and $518. So $1,300, $1,670. And so far from all those accounts, I've made $1,300 turn to $32,000 from $1,300. So it's definitely possible, and this is just using other people's money. That's why I kind of like the prop firm side of things, because it kind of lightens the load of, putting so much pressure on making so much with a little amount of money with little knowledge. But instead you can, this is real. This is very real. And like I said, Jamal can speak to it because he's almost there. Elise can speak to it because he's almost there. Brandon's making strides. Roger has been paid out and he's $1,000 away from another $4,500. So it's definitely, the vision is definitely clear, and just got to keep sticking to it. Just keep sticking to it, showing up every day that you can.
For sure. I appreciate it.
Not a problem. Not a problem. Third week, Jamal just says his third weekend, and he's a couple grand away from making a payout. But where I think a lot of people's breakthroughs are coming through is in the sense of not putting so much pressure on each and every trade and each and every day. We're gonna take a loss. Like it's not that big. It's really not that big of a deal. The only thing that'll kill you is over risking and over leveraging. So what we're big on is mitigating risk and keeping your losses very small, or as small as you can. Like for example, yesterday, I took a $470 loss on the first trade, then I came back and made an $800 win on the second trade. So it's just all about keeping your losses as small as possible, because we know the end result of what's going to happen. You just kind of got to stay around for the long game. but I'm definitely gonna continue to do like those beginner webinars. And for everyone watching either on YouTube or newbies in the group, we do record every webinar. So the last couple webinars were kind of geared towards beginners. So we have those right there. So it's pretty smooth, pretty smooth. You want to keep stacking the days, because one day the chart's gonna look like this. It's just rinse and repeat. It's just really rinse and repeat. Doing the same thing every day. And this is nothing but just leverage. Like I'm trading on 10 accounts through a trade copier. That's all that is. The same way you trade on one account, the same way you make $500, I can make $5,000. But that's just leverage and time in the markets. That's why I'm able to do that. So like Jamal, he started to get the flow of things, and he said, shoot, I might as well add 2 more accounts. And in turn, he's about to get his first payout, which will be $3,500, I believe. And he got 2 accounts rolling on the back end that are going to strive toward that $3,500 as well. And if we lose today, it is what it is, man. It's not a big deal. Lose tomorrow, it is what it is, man. I'll be back the next day. So we'll see what today has for us. We'll definitely see what today has for us. Those that are watching on YouTube, if you can give a like, comment, subscribe, just keep the algorithm going. That'd be very much appreciated. Very much appreciated. Roger, we looking like 9, huh? Still.
Yeah, we might be looking at 9:15.
Hey man, it's been nasty. A guy was on till 11 yesterday. Who am I?
Yeah, that was crazy, bro.
Definitely. But it's crazy because it definitely played out. It played out, but at what cost? At that point, I made
good. Did you feel good about the win?
Yeah, because I stuck to my plan. I re-entered. And so it was this pull down. So like I always say, because you know me, this was the entry. Right here on the break of this high. That thing pulled down and I got out like minus 16 on the 5-minute break of its own low. But what do we know? The technical stop loss is until all the way down here gets hit. And if someone want to sit for minus 40, minus 50, that's on them. But it never re-broke the 15-minute low. It just closed just like this after getting me out. All it did was just make a new low to continue up. And I re-entered and caught like 25, like 20, 25. Nothing crazy. But yeah, man, it's just all about how you want to trade. Like I risk a lot of I risk a lot of capital. So I can't really sit in negative 50 on the off chance it does hit. Unless I'm trying to go down to 2s and hold for longer. I want that sniper entry. And if I'm wrong, I want to know I'm wrong immediately. Get me out of there. Just get me on out. I'll regroup.
I ain't just stuck. I'm not tripping.
What happened? You said we stuck? You funny, bro. Stuck is crazy.
Shit stuck.
Feel like it. 8:45. I need to go take a shower. I gotta be saying, but I'm probably stick around just for the day. Feel like we stuck. Right, I swear though. Where is it? Where was 8? Yes, bro. This was 8 yesterday. And then this was the closure below. And in hindsight, like Tonio said, the decent entry was what you took on the break of that. But I wanted a better top wick because I wanted a better entry, but I could have pivoted, which is fine. And I realized that I could have pivoted to taking it on the break of this low with a lesser risk, understanding that we already done moved 40 from the top. It's sell. Break of that low. I'm not breaking the reason we just projected right there.
Yep. I don't like that area.
No, sir. No. Until we break out one way or another, James Kirkland III will be on his phone. But it should, I mean, it couldn't come on down though. No FOMO. Do we have any news today? I don't think we do.
Close below
10 a.m.
37.94. Get it for about 25 pips.
That's all I need. That's all I need. Literally. Just wait on the closure either under there or under here.
If we go even below there, that's even good.
Yep. We go until, let's see, the 30-minute low break. Yep, it did, but 30-minute don't got a high, no top wick, and the 1 hour is still open. So until this 1 hour candle closes, this could be the down wick to continue up, rejecting out of these resistances right here, the same way that this rejected the first time. Right out here. So we'll see. We'll see, but I mean, I like either idea above here. There. I think I like the cells are very clean under there. So clean. But both are not bad. There we go. Make that top wick. Hey, 9 a.m. early move? Please, God.
We need it.
We deserve it.
Yeah.
After sitting here till 11? That is that's very unlike me, y'all. Very unlike me. Then I had to go do pictures for one of my upcoming listings. That house is fire.
You said, and you and the 4 people left.
Bruh, it was 4 people in this bitch. Coming soon. Come get it, East Atlanta.
That's a nice looking
Let's
house,
see.
though.
Yeah, it was nice. It's 4,000 square feet. 4,000 square feet. Got a lot of equity in it too. Yeah. So hopefully get going quick. They ready to cash out. We gotta find motivated sellers. Motivated buyers. I got 3 closes in the next 12 days. 12, Yeah, 13 days. So it's a blessing for sure. All right, what you say? What you say? When we gonna close? We need to close right there. Yes, sir. Thank you, chat.
I'm loving this push.
That's what we need. Clear it out. How you be getting the pictures? Maybe I'm tripping, but the angle, yeah, that was a drone straight on. That specifically was a drone. Like that just was a better picture than just like on the ground up angle, just with the way the house is positioned. Show it again. Yeah. But the thing about Atlanta is, boy, you don't got no backyard. So that's it. The house is the house. But you ain't playing catch in the backyard. Let's get it. Come on.
You know, throwing a football in the backyard.
No, sir. You're not doing nothing. You're gonna sit on that back deck. That's what you're gonna do. And enjoy it.
All right, I'm liking it. Let's go. Damn, bro.
I wanted to clear all this out. I ain't gonna lie.
I wish this shit did this shit like at 8:57, man.
But is it gonna hold it though? Oof. Man. Bruh, you cannot call it. Yeah. Throw the backyard there. Or throw the football in the backyard there. That's what you gonna do. Say it's cool. Got
toss
two
the
deck.
football.
You can play a little T-ball right here with a little 3-year-old. Let's see. But proximity wise, that's dope. That's the A. Obviously downtown. Probably 15, 20 minutes into town. It's nice though. Here's a ground shot. It don't got nothing on this shot. Or this shot. It's dope though. Got a big ass basement, a walkway. So it should go quickly. We'll see. But in this market, you never know. Never know. All right, man. Let's see. 15-minute candles. Closing above.
Strong ass rejection.
It closed right there. It was like 9:15. This has definitely been a week of patience. warm water. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? Appreciate y'all tapping in. I'm just waiting on a closure. Outside this rain, this nasty range we stuck in. Was hopefully trying to get a closure above. We got 4 minutes, 42 seconds. So we've seen crazier things happen. But right now, we just gotta sit on our hands. Get a little deck for a cigar. Like I said, I ain't gonna say I'm wasting my time coming at 8:30, but bruh, when's the last time we really took an 8:30 trade?
How damn show be looking though at 8:30.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. I think 8 be giving more opportunities than 8:30 for real, man. How are we gonna do it? I keep looking down, and I look up, and I look down, I look up, and ain't nothing happening. I'm trying to post the Trading Nut podcast in the forums group, and it's not working, I don't think. Let's see though.
Watch that today.
Oh, okay. 2 minutes. Realistically, let's see. Bro, I need a closure above. I need a clear closure too.
Yeah.
Like, I ain't trying to be guessing. Like, I need to keep breaking this high in this last minute. Like, you can come on up here, really. But if it closed like this,
Okay. I like the way it's jumping though.
yeah, same. The 1 hour is looking good though. The way it came down and come up. But if it creates this resistance, rejecting out of this, I need at least a 15-minute closure above. We got 1 minute.
Learn from world-class YouTube.
I don't got a good feeling about it, Roger. I can't lie to you.
Maybe I don't close the bar. It's over with.
Not 15.
Yeah.
Oh, good one.
There's a dawn, bro.
Whoever wants to go do whatever you gotta do, go ahead and do it. Nothing's happening.
9:15, 9:30.
No big deal. Ain't nothing new. There you go. Damn. I don't like when you be quiet, bro.
What you
Don't
mean?
feel
man?
right.
Nah, I was watching a video. I didn't want to have a mic on.
I don't want to hear none of that. I don't want to hear none of that. Watch this. Watch this paint dry. That's what you need to be. That's what you need to be watching. With everybody else. I tried to say you taking a trade no matter what today. We're here. I like it to the upside still. But we created a new resistance. Oh, that's not a bad thing though. If we can still just close above here, that's all we waiting on.
And that's it.
That's it. That's all. But until then, I mean, everybody can do what they want to do. You out? Here we go. Tapping the resistance.
We don't like those.
Damn, I don't know what's going on with his. It's a video player configuration error whenever I try to attach it in the forum section, but it's all good. And it say you can watch it on YouTube still. It'll say watch on YouTube. All right, Logan, I'll just put you back on. Yeah. I'll see you soon. Love you too. We're watching this paint dry. So you probably gonna be more, have more to do than me. Are you in buys or sells? That's what someone just asked me on YouTube. Both. Oh man. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Those on YouTube. I crossed the 250K subscriber, or I say K, it's coming, but 250 subscriber number yesterday. 253. Ain't counting. I was at 244 yesterday. So that's not a bad little day. 9 minutes.
Where we at? Oh yeah, come on.
It can clear all this. It can break these highs. It can break these highs. Like, I don't care. I wouldn't mind if it closed above all this, to be honest. We rejected out of there. But if we get a closure above that after it's done rejecting out all these times. I need to get up and stretch soon. About that time.
That's all this good shit. Just
It's DJ? Antonio trying to sneak him in the room.
No, I'm on the phone with DJ.
I hear him.
You said Wilbur.
yes,
I say he trying to sneak him in the club.
Nah, he said there's something wrong with his car.
Oh,
He
Lucha tell us.
fucking peace. It's on, bro. But
hey, like it.
Okay. And we about to break these highs again. Man, let's do it. It's time. I've been waiting patient. This is the YouTube feed is 15 seconds behind. I know what it is. That's what come with the game. It is what it is. But nah, seriously though, that's the perk for being on the Zoom. Trey Mitchell also said the same thing when his partners was watching. And he was watching whatever, and it's about 10, 15 seconds behind for sure. It definitely is. So, whoever want to be up to speed, tap in with the group. Yeah, man, join the Zoom. They can be 15 seconds later on the entry. And to be honest, it's rare that whatever I'm 10 seconds ahead of you on really matters, because I be using buy stops and sell stops. So I obviously see what I'm doing. But if it was market executions, it might be a little dead for it.
This song be in my head too, bro.
You said what?
I said this song be in my head too.
All right, let me get up and stretch.
It's the pregame song.
Yeah, man, it always feel like it, don't it? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Man, If I throw a 4 on these accounts over here, I got them automatically copied to ×2, meaning I would be throwing a goddamn 8.
Go ahead and just get that payout for the trip, man.
Nah. I want it though. I really do. And it's funny because I actually can hit it by just simply throwing my 3s and 6s. So, like I was saying, on my Lucid accounts, I only need 3,800. Let's call it 3,820. And 3,820 divided by 3 days is 1,273. So if I throw 6s for 25 pips 3 days in a row and hit, I'm gonna get it.
Yeah.
But there's always a but. If I lose one day, it ain't happening. So,
Come with the game.
like I said, that's the devil. That's the devil trying to get you to go too fast, trying to buck your bag up. And on these, I need to get to 4,500, which is, we'll call it 2,100 away in the next 3 days as well. And I can get that easily. That's $700 a day. So it's like, man, it's staring down a barrel, but I don't want to do nothing hasty when I know it's coming anyway. But it would be nice to see a cool little another, what that'd be like 25K before I leave. But we'll see. We'll just see
It'll
what
be
God
great
has.
before you leave or when you get back.
Exactly. I'm gonna get paid before I leave, before I get back. Like I said, I gotta close it on Friday. I gotta close it next Friday. I gotta close on Tuesday after that. And I got these charts. So just trying to keep pulling from different directions. For real, for real. Trying to keep pulling. That's what it's all about. Just diversifying. That's why at the same token, like it'd be great to have that. It'd be great to have that payout coming before I leave, but like my life will not change whether I get it before I leave or after I come back. You saw that last second pullback, right?
Yes, bro. I always want to do this shit before, man.
That's a down wick I be wanting to break the high. Come on, man. 2 minutes. Let me go ahead and throw my 3 because I see the market moving crazy today. Or not, I'm not in. Well, when I get in, or if I get in, I'm gonna throw my 3 because I see that the market on some BS. Roger, what's funny about your situation is, nigga, you 2 trades away. The market just ain't acting right.
Yeah, I ain't gonna force it though.
Facts. 2 for 30 will be amazing. 2 for 30 will be amazing. Just like my 3 for 30 would be amazing. All right, we pulling up again.
It's like when I throw a 2, I have that gut feeling.
Yeah, facts.
I ain't got that
like,
gut
like
feeling.
we saying, like the same shit we talking about with me. You throw that 3 or shit, or a 2 when you're not too confident in it, and you fucking your bag up. You can't even hold and have conviction in the position.
Man, we could close a little more up.
Right, I slick wanted to keep going. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so the technical stop loss, as y'all know, is the previous 15-minute low. That's a technical stop loss. But me, we trading too big a lot. So I need this top wick right here, and I need the next candle to come down to give a bottom wick. You can use the previous 15-minute low. You can use this previous 5-minute low right there, which is very valid. Luxury started right on time. You know I played it. Ugh. Just keep pushing. Just clear all this shit, honestly.
Okay, now I'm liking it.
Yeah. Because then we're going to break this previous 1 hour high as well. 11 seconds. Need a wick. Okay, just broke that. So let's see. Need a wick. Don't close a no top wick. Please don't close a no top wick. It wasn't no top wick, but I need a retest now. Because it closed above everything for the most part. Even this wick right here. So my slick needs to just keep making its way on down. I want to at least touch right here. This is a 8 pip, 9 pip bottom wick. I think it has more in it. And this is a little ass top wick. So like I really need price to act the way accordingly if I'm going to take it on a little ass top wick. And if I don't get in this one, then I do like 930 still. But I prefer to catch this 915 because we do have volume right now. I'm not about to take this, get in too early, and then let's see, what is that now?
Okay, it's getting a little decent.
15. Ugh. Is that enough for you?
I think that was the same like yesterday, ain't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. All right, I'm gonna set a buy stop on a break of that high. I'm gonna break of that previous high. 3805.1 there. Anticipating that with no top wick, it's gonna flip after creating a bottom wick for the new 15-minute candle. It closed above everything right there.
Light risk though.
So I don't expect it to have any reason to stop until right here, which would be how many pips? 30-ish pips. So let's see. I want a better bottom wick than this though, because honestly, you can manage it one of two ways in a losing position. You can either cut half your risk on the break of this low and use this as your stop, or you can just get out and reassess at minus whatever the stop loss will be. Minus 13. Ugh, that's not enough. Fuck. But it's going to be enough right now. Like you said, it happened yesterday. Now we talking. I want to retest. It didn't tap it, but it's close. All I can use is a 1 on these accounts. All right, taking advantage of the volume.
Oh, volume. Do what you do.
Facts. I go live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, Darwin. Appreciate you asking. All right, let's see. On the 15-minute, no top wick. So we just made a bottom wick, hopefully to continue up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. But this week, I am going to do every day since I'm going to be out of office and on my honeymoon next week. So, for sure. Appreciate your subscribing. So right now, we finally got a candle to break out of the range, close above here. Now this candle is making a down wick to retest this area it just broke out of. I'm definitely confident in using this low now, because if it breaks this high, damn sure has no reason to come back down and break this low. So if it taps it perfectly and flips up, breaks this high, I anticipate that it's gonna get going up. Oh man.
Looks like it's definitely gonna touch that 3811 area.
That's what I'm thinking. You know, I only need 30, but and then even if it don't happen on this specific 5 minute, you know the drill. Next 5 minute candle opens up, breaks this weak bearish high right here, still goes up. I like it though. I like how all we're doing is making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now I don't want it to keep dropping though, because by the time we get to 930, I don't know. Let's see, 919, about 13 pips away from my entry. $13 people on the Zoom or on the YouTube. Appreciate y'all tapping in, YouTube. I think this is my most I ever had. Looking for a little buy after the 15-minute candle has closed outside of resistance. It's closed out of everything. We kept rejecting all these times. The candle has finally closed outside of it. Closed above everything, actually. Even this support over here to the left. This candle is making a down wick. You can use either the 15-minute low, or you can really drag it up to use wherever this low is, which I would likely use 20 pips. Yeah. But yeah, if y'all can like and subscribe to the channel, win, lose, or draw, it is what it is. We will just keep on sticking to the plan. And on these, Roger, as you know, when I take these little 20 pip stops, it ain't really too much to do to manage. I mean, it's like if it gets you in and then it comes down, it's like, okay, you can cut it at 15, 16, 17 if you want to, but there ain't much to do other than that. But I use that 5-minute low happily. Ooh. Close.
Order filled.
All right.
Stop filled.
You got me in right there. I'm gonna drag that down. That's a 15-minute flipping.
Order filled.
Ooh, who got out? Oh.
Nah, it just got me in.
Yeah, I'm about to say. I'm like, who the hell got out? Let's see. Up 8. Where did it get me in? Okay, got me at a good price. Oh, my fault. Come on!
Yeah,
Up
you
12.
playing around.
Come on! My bad, y'all. All right. Up like 7. I seen like 12. Ain't nothing to do just yet, though. I go to the 15-minute where we got to flip out of resistance. And now I done seen like 12. I ain't secured none. I ain't done nothing yet. I want this to come quick. If I get to like 18 to 20, I'll probably go stop to break even and just let it do what it do.
Let it ride.
Yeah. Or I ain't gonna say let it ride, but I want to get my risk off the table at worst. So if it keep re-breaking its highs, it should be good. I want to get out before this next 5-minute candle. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds before this 5-minute candle closes. I really think we're gonna keep pushing. We have nothing but clean range to the left. All of this
9:30 coming too.
Yeah, like, and I don't want to have to sit in here till 9:30 because you know me, that's too long. but it's going. I think it's going to drive. All right, let's see, Goldie. We done seen about 12. Ooh, I'm frozen. Come on now. Ooh, my chart is frozen on me.
You and me both.
Uh-oh.
My chart not even moving no more.
Bro, what?
I just got negative 130 out of nowhere.
Hey, what the hell? When something like this happens, they definitely be like giving you your money back. What the hell? Is anybody else frozen?
Yeah, I'm froze, bro. Like I see it moving, but it's like the candle.
I can't, bro. I'm spinning. I can't even see it moving.
The candle
I'm
literally
back.
not moving.
I'm back. Shit, man. That thing went down in the close to stops and all.
Yeah, bro.
All right, I'm back in the say. You good now?
Yeah.
Shit,
Like my candle, I ain't gonna lie, my candle's still not moving, but I see the price going up and down.
All right, that's some bullshit. I don't want to see that no more. What I hope now is, now that this 5-minute candle about to close in 30 seconds, I hope this next 5-minute candle don't drop down. Like I said, I'm only risking 20, so it's not that big of a deal, and I'll see what 930 has for me. But let's see if I'm gonna rev it up again. Because I seen like 12, but that ain't enough to do nothing with. I'm only down 10, 11. My stop loss is only 20. So you can either put your stops under the 30-minute candle, or you just gotta take the full loss likely. But I'm hoping that that's all. That's it. Because after this low, if that low break again, it's probably coming down. And I might go ahead and put my stop under there. Split. If it get back up into profits, then yeah, I'll put my stop back under there. Let's see, what's the difference? That's only a 4 pip difference. Like, it ain't really that big difference. I think it's still gonna go up, and that's the annoying part. But then at that point, you gotta wait till the 30-minute candle closes, and you gotta be able to deal with whatever that pullback looks like. But I seen like I said, I seen 12. But I'm hoping that it just keeps on making its way up. But yeah, if it breaks this low again, it's probably gonna come on down. Let me just go ahead, move that up.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Yeah, so I just cut that.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I just cut that because it's likely gonna break. I don't know. You can hold it, but I just saved them extra couple pips just because, like, it's likely gonna come down. If it flips back up and I got out for no reason, I'm gonna be upset. But I'll wait on 9:30 and then I'll just see the next move because it was only minus 170. Like, it ain't that big of a loss. Yep, there you go. The full loss would have just got hit. So 15-minute candle closed above, pushed up for 12. Didn't have the follow through. Was what it was. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that up. Let's see, minus 170. Don't. 9:30.
Mm-hmm.
How much what you do on that to manage, if anything?
I just cut it as quick as I could, but still took a loss though.
Yeah.
The first move just fucked me up, bro.
You telling me? Like I said, the real stop, unfortunately, is like all the way down here. But like, I'm not trying to test it to see if it's gonna hit it. Personally, I'd rather just wait on the next move. But you know what's about to happen though? If this closes back in range, the fake out. So we'll see. We will definitely see. Say I won't. Damn, that thing was pushing nice too.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good. Mark that up. I only got a couple minutes though. So that was a breakout. I'll put on the 15 minutes as well. That was the 5. Um, 15-minute close outside the range. Entered on break of high after price made a nice down wick. Saw 13 pips. Managed it by cutting at negative 17 rather than the full minus. Good trade.
This shit want to go down, man.
I'm glad I cut it when I did. Listen, bro, on the break of this low, after rejecting out all these highs, I may try my hand at that. But I would need a top wick though. Fake out back in the range. We kind of at this support right here. But impulse entry. potential. Let's see. I would definitely need more than that. 1 hour candle re-breaking the low after breaking its own high. What is that? 18. I'm gonna try my hand at it. Re-break of that low, of the 1 hour low, after everything broke above. Let's see, 37.99.5. Once again, not really any way to manage it. Like, it's not much of a top wick. It's 17, 18, 20. Yeah, that's better. That's just me trying it out now after we broke all these highs. The 4 hour is still bearish. The 1 hour broke highs, but is bearish. Essentially coming down to re-break its own low right there. So that's just
Order filled.
Stop filled.
bringing this down. 30 minute candle open, time of volume. Looking for a wick to fill. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my stop loss above there. Put my limit down here. 4. Let's see if it wants to fill this range. Ooh, up 13. Come on, man. Finish out
The
the
volume
move.
just do. Come on.
Yeah. Ooh.
Order
Order
I'm
filled.
talking about, y'all. That's how you fucking bounce back. That's why you mitigate risk, and that's why you cut losses quick. I hope y'all took it. I hope y'all took it. Sniper fucking exit. Ooh. Way to bounce back there. That's why you keep losses small. Because you're going to lose 170, but you're going to make 310. You're going to lose 560, but you're going to make 1,000. Damn good trade.
Hopefully, top one gives some money back from that glitch.
Hey. Hey, I'm complaining to support. Hey, Tonio, I'm going straight to support. I'm saying I couldn't even manage my trade. The platform froze on me. I couldn't do nothing. I'm hollering. That's happened before to me though. No bullshit. They give you your money back. They really do. They really give you your money back on a loss. Damn. Hey, bruh.
Yeah, finna hit him up
Right,
right now.
but honestly though, like no bullshit. Those were two very good trades. Both of them were good trades. Because how do I say, like, it's experience, bro. It's just like experience in the market more than anything. And well, we know 930, bro, that might as well be my second wife. I love her. 930, bro, we got a love relationship. Ain't no hate. One somebody in my office just said that was good. Appreciate you, Alvin. You watching on the YouTube stream. Yes, sir. That's how you bounce back right there. Lost 578, made 1215. It started looking different. How much did I make on my Lucid accounts? Because
You might not even have lost that, depending on what support say.
depending on nah, it wasn't Project X, it was Lucid. Bro. 2,160 on that move. Times 5. That copy trader is a beast, Daryl. It's a beast. That's a day right there. Shit. Roger, you still around? You locking out? What you looking like? I, for one,
I like it if
don't
it
like
goes under that.
stressing. I don't like stressing after God just blessed me with a great move. Who am I to not be okay with making? Nigga, that's $8,000. Who am I? Who am I?
So another 10 minutes. I like it still coming down though. I'm not gonna lie.
I like it under here. I'll see. I'll stick around. I got money to play with. Let's call it like that. Bro, that move was so like textbook. I'm gonna break it down though. So that was a fake out. That's what I was talking about, a fake out. I don't know if Marcus is still on. Yes, he is. Okay, so the first trade we took was a breakout. Breakout, 15-minute candle, closed outside the range. This candle came down to retest this resistance right here. Came back up, flipped up, saw about 13 pips, but that's not enough for me. I'm going to strive for at least 20, but I really want 30 like I hit for that time. So that being said, that's fine. Cut the risk at the break of the 5-minute low right there. I got out a little bit earlier because it kind of wicked down, came up. I said, hey y'all, if it comes down again, it's probably coming on down for real. Cool. That being said, cut that right there. So the 30-minute candle then closed back in the range after breaking all these highs. So you close back in the range respecting all these resistances, during a time of volume 930 NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange open. Enter on the break of the lows, anticipating that you come down to fill most of this support. I don't even need the full move. I called 30 and I was cool. So that's textbook. So let's see, that was a fake out. 30-minute candle. Closed back in range after breaking all highs. Trusted 9:30 a.m. volume. Now 30-minute candle closed back in the range. Trusted 9:30 a.m. volume to take us down to fill most of the range after price created a top wick. It's really not much else to say about that. I guess the 1 hour candle closed bearish. Okay, yeah, so 1 hour previous 1 hour candle closed bearish, comma. So after breaking highs and flipping back down to re-break lows, there was a wick to fill on 1H time frame. So 30-minute candle closed back in range after breaking all these highs. 1 hour, I trust the 930 volume that after we were to close and break under here, that we were going to come on down and fill this wick. Found on the 1 hour, it broke it. I got 31 pips out of that move, and that's a damn good day if I end it there, but I'm still looking. It went ahead and finished out the move, by the way, if you have the faith that it was going to go ahead and finish it out. So tapped right into support perfectly. I got 31 pips out of that 44, so that's what I'd be saying of I don't need the whole move. Just give me something. Because what I don't want to do is get down here and be sweating when coming back up to here. That'd be me in 1 minute candle being up 30 pips and coming back to either break even or up 1 or 2. I ain't doing that when I'm trading 4s and 8s. No, sir. Yup. So, Roger, we still here with it, but if that's my day, that's my day. I ain't gonna lie. Look perfect. Claps. 3,200 on the account. Top one, what y'all got going? Beautiful move. Oh, I saw Adrian Lawson left. I said, you see how they do me, Roger? You see how they do me? But nah, he back in the set. What time are volume coming in? 8:30 and 9:30. Okay. Oh, I explained the move. I just saw your comment, Darwin. I hope that explained it. And if you need to rewatch it, you can't rewatch it on YouTube. But times of volume, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the chat. Volume 8 a.m. NY open. 8:20 a.m. COMEX open. 8:30 a.m. Days of high impact news. 9:30 a.m. NYSE open. New York Stock Exchange open. Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely tap in with us, bro. I would love to grow with you. Yeah, Roger, that if 9:45 hit,
Oh, yeah,
it's
I'm
about to
already
start
know.
closing like this.
It's all right, though. I'll take my little 200.
That's how much you made, 200.
Mhm.
That loss, man. That loss. Did you
I'll
hold for that
support-
full TP on the second one?
Huh?
Did you hold for or did you smack for a TP on the second one?
Nah. I saw it jerk up, so I had to get out of there.
How much you get out at, bro?
I almost hit it, though, but...
Okay. So it ain't like you got 13 or 14.
Oh, no.
That's what I was talking about. That shit hit my 30. That shit hit my 31 perfectly to the T. I would have been sitting sad if I'd got hit out of break even on the spreads right there. Oof. Ain't nothing like it, boy.
But support want to be kind and give me some money back? Hey.
Hey, listen, I might complain. Let me see. I'll fall on the sword. There you go. I know support getting blown up right now. Because let us have taken a win, bet I wouldn't have said shit. I wouldn't have said a damn thing. But no cap though, bro. Imagine if I didn't have a stop loss. Damn, that 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. Touching that entry point and falling again, bro. They be doing that.
I ain't gonna even lie, brother. I'm so drool. My shit glitched out, and you'll never believe what I'm sitting at right now.
What happened?
I don't know, bro. I can't even tell you.
Bro, what?
I don't know. This shit ain't never happened before. I'm negative 1100, right?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that. You definitely get support.
Yeah, you need to hit him up
You
now.
can hit support. Yeah, now all jokes aside, you can hit support. They know when it's platform issues that they gotta rectify, or else they reputation gonna be fucked. You couldn't even take another trade, I'm sure.
Nah. Luckily, whenever it got back, I was 300 from even. I just hurried and flattened all as soon as I got back, and yeah, and I was 300 from breaching my account. So,
oh no, sir.
Yeah, negative 1100 is insane. But my account
Brandon,
still, luckily my account's still 300 in profit overall. But at the same time, that shit pissed me off, bro.
nah, hell nah. That ain't right. They gonna get it right. I forgot who it was through, but that's happened before to me. They dead ass just go ahead and like delete that trade from your history. So I ain't gonna promise nothing, but I damn sure hope for all of our sake, because minus 11 is crazy on like a small loss.
Right. Just
Like,
send
that
them the
wasn't even
stream,
nothing.
bro.
What'd you say?
Said just send them the stream because they're gonna ask for visual evidence. Actually,
Facts.
I'm about to
I did
just
that
go
too.
screen
I did that
record
too
it.
before. I
Yeah,
definitely
I'm
did that
about to
too
go
before. I was
screen record
recording
it.
and all.
I wasn't.
I was like, bro, I can't
Oh,
do nothing.
I'm gonna take
My
this shit.
Project
but I
X
just wanna call it a
platform
day.
pros. Yeah, don't even do nothing else. Obviously, don't do nothing else, but don't even do nothing else until you rectify that shit. I'm talking to support right now just to see if I can my Project X platform pros on me while I was in a trade that went from profits to nearly.
The
I'm saying
dashboard
nearly.
chat don't never let me chat with them. I always gotta email them.
Really? You gotta go through them steps. You gotta say, Just talk to support. I'll just skip that. I say I have not purchased an account. Talk to support. Connect to an agent. And that's it.
Yeah, the chat came through for me the other day.
What'd you say?
I was just saying the chat came through for me the other day. I didn't have to do any emails or nothing like that.
Yeah, I never got to do any emails. 15 minute close respecting Roger.
Oh, bro.
I'm gonna say my Project X platform froze on me while I was in a trade that went from profits to nearly a full loss. Is there anything you can do to help me? But then at the same token, I just smacked for like, oh no, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I think I just hit for like 990 or something like that, or 960 on that trade. I go to 15, Roger. I'm coming down. That's why these entries be so fire, getting them up here. But I just can't deal with all them damn pullbacks, bro. Like, no. Yeah, I just asked. All I did was ask. Closed mouths definitely don't get fed, but they not gonna be just giving away money. But usually they be making like site-wide reports or like site-wide announcements. And like if you were affected by this, message us. He better not say Project X is not our Okay. I will escalate this to the tech team, but they will need to see these details, exact date and time, affected account number, ID of the trade, detailed description, and visual evidence. Screen recordings, attached screenshots or screen recordings. So if you need to, by the way, this is about to go up if it breaks its own high. But anyway, if you need to, you can definitely, you can use this stream, or you can use a screenshot from this stream. But I'm damn sure glad that I do stream, because I'm definitely about to get my little money back.
Man, what?
So I don't know if y'all too good to go through all this, but James Clerkin III is definitely about to
already sent mine in.
I don't know if y'all too good or too lazy.
Put the video when everybody was yelling.
James the Third. I'm gonna go in and find the exact date and time. I'm gonna say, okay, cool. Affected account 104757. ID. It ain't hard to find. All you gotta do is go to ID right here. Boom. And shit. Detailed description. Y'all know what's going on. And digital evidence. You can use this stream. You can screenshot this stream. You do a lot of shit. But
what did you say specifically?
I said my Project X platform froze on me while I was in a trade that went from profits to a full loss. Is there anything you can do to help me? I'm telling you, like, they don't get off on not helping people. Like, they'd rather keep their good name, because that didn't happen to just us. It happened to everybody. So yeah, you are super blown, because bro, you just damn near breached your whole account. There you go. Roger, if you get a 15-minute closure back above range, it's going up. But I'm probably done. I ain't gonna lie. Because especially if I get this loss erased, man, please.
Yeah, I had your email down, so they probably finna tell me the same thing.
Nah, they are.
Yep. That's fine. So exact date and time. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna go back to my stream. Excuse me while I mute myself, fellas. I'm here. I'm done. I ain't thinking about trading right now, so I'm done. Unless you get a 10 a.m. closure under, but likely.
He's talking about
but likely, I don't like trading when I'm thinking about other shit though. Like, I'm thinking about doing this, and I got 10 minutes to do so. But shit, they go ahead and erase this minus 170. That's plus 310 on a day on that account. And my account's over here. I can't do nothing about it because this was Trade of 8. This wasn't Project. But yeah, still got 13 viewers in the set. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. For sure. Y'all, we saw what it looks like to take a small loss and a W. That's what it's all about. Keeping them losses small. I'm kind of interested to see what I'm looking like for the week now. Well, no, I'll do this after. Because the most important thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Exact date and time. I don't know. Actually, I'll say 9/24/2025. What time was that first trade? I can just go back and look at the trades on the dashboard. So it was 9:26. I was in at 9:21, but it happened at 9:26. Yeah, okay. Exit time 9:26. So I'll say 9:24 a.m. Eastern time. It's almost like I've seen this before. It's almost like I've seen this happen before or something. Okay. 9:24 a.m. Eastern time. Affected account number. ID of the exact trade. Antonio, you so funny. Because you sound I already did it. You don't got to worry about me.
I already did it.
You don't even got to worry about me.
A whole professional email with your link to the YouTube and the timestamp.
Hey, listen. You like, I do this. I track this shit. You don't got to worry about me. Man, listen.
This what mine looks like right here.
Nah,
in the WAP chat.
Okay.
Shit.
Dear top one.
Yeah, I ain't playing with them.
Dear top one. Dear top one.
Damn, boy, I wish I would have known. I damn sure would have copied and pasted this motherfucker.
Hey, description of the trade. I entered a trade and saw 13 pip profit or 13 tick profit. I don't think they care about it. Tick profit
playing, bro.
Before
Like that email.
the platform froze.
That's what I was over here typing when y'all heard me typing.
Completely. I entered a trade and saw 13 tick profit before the platform froze on me completely. I refreshed the screen multiple times and even shut down the platform completely when the platform did wind up reloading. I saw that I was essentially near my full stop loss, so I went ahead and closed the trade altogether. There's no way for me to manage risk at all, as I'd say there was no way at all for me to manage risk.
I need that little paper.
My screen was completely blank. Yeah. Okay. As my screen was completely blank. I'm gonna say for over. I exaggerate and say over a minute.
I mean, it probably was a minute. We was in the trade.
It probably was
30 seconds. For real.
If at least with floating. With a floating E and L. And I'm gonna take one from Antonio. He really used a YouTube live stream. You funny as hell, bro.
Yeah, cause bro, I didn't feel like screenshotting the YouTube live. Like
That's what.
I
Yeah.
don't even know how to screen. Well, yeah, I do. I'm lying.
Screen
I do know
record.
how to screenshot.
Yeah. Let's see.
I
What
actually
floating
can
P-
screenshot
yeah.
it too. Let me see.
I like that. I like that ending. This unexpected malfunction causing significant impact on my trade outcome. I'm gonna say Gemini rewrite that. This unexpected malfunction caused a significant impact on my daily trading profits. Rewrite this sentence. Think smarter, not harder. Oh, now we breaking the low again? Damn, price is moving. That unexpected amount. Yeah, whatever. All right, I'm gonna use that, and then. Ooh. Then I'm with you. They can just use the YouTube live stream. I wonder if they, I'm about to say, I wonder if they would trip about us using the live stream, but I don't know why they would. Like, what's the problem in us just trading together? Oh, you said it was 122.47.
It's clear at 129.53 too. Like that's when everybody talking about it.
I'm under there.
It first started at 122 though.
Okay. Cool. Hey y'all, everybody go ahead. I got no shame in my game. Bro, for some reason, when it be doing this, it gives you the like how much time is left in it, but it don't tell you. It tells you how much time is left. Oh, okay, I see it now. I see it. Well, no, it say minus 39, minus 36.
Yeah, it's just going backwards. But if you go all the way if you mark your timestamp and go all the way to the beginning, it'll tell you like how far it has come to that point. So it's just going in reverse. But just put it where
that
you
should
think
be annoying.
it is, and then just put your cursor all the way to the beginning, and it'll tell you the full time.
So you said go ahead and mark a timestamp?
Yeah.
Or what? What I gotta do to do that? Sorry, I missed it.
What you trying to do? Just mark.
Yeah, I'm trying to
the
see where this
timestamp.
is right now.
Go up, just move your cursor all the way to the beginning, not the red thing.
Oh,
just your cursor.
okay.
So just mark.
Cursor.
Yeah, just mark it because it's telling you how far it is already. So if you mark it, like if you move it up to whatever you want to move it up to.
We're looking at the same.
Damn, I feel slow right now. I'm sorry.
So
it does it after. Let's see. Damn, I'm over here looking crazy.
Like
I'll
put
find
it.
It's all good.
Put it on.
I know yours. You already said what it was.
Put it on
120.
3022.
You said 130.22?
No. I'm saying if you want to see what I'm talking about on the YouTube video, you would just move it to 3022.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so it started happening like around we got out around that area, but at 3022,
so
that's
it was
when we
like
were talking about it.
Yeah.
They just asked me the same thing.
Yeah, you good.
Can you provide
You straight.
timestamps?
I'm just trying to find the right timestamp. Like I said, I feel slow right now because Tonio trying to coach me through it. He really is. I'm gonna say 120, like YouTube live stream.
I'd be the same way if I was you.
Bruh, I'm not technologically savvy, bruh, at all. I promise you, I'm not. And I don't act like I am.
I think your
I really don't
timestamp
act
might
like
end.
I am.
It might
But
change
it's clear
if
as
you,
day. Like that shit definitely just paused on us completely.
Are we still streaming live?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we live right now.
I think if you finish the video,
I know. That's what you got to do. But Tonio found it without having to do that.
Oh, okay.
He knows how to do that. But when you end the video, yes. But yeah, if I ended the live stream,
Yeah, we still streaming live.
Yeah, we are. We got 9 people still in the set. Let's see. Bells look good. If you want to take anything. Oh my goodness. Never mind. I'm good. That when they jump and jolt and do all that shit, that's when James Kirkland III calls it a day. So you can take it on the break of that low if you just really was itching for a trade. But YouTube, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and end this stream. Y'all, I'm staying on with y'all on the Zoom. But whoever's interested in joining the Zoom chat, I posted the WAP in the comments. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. I will be on tomorrow. I usually do only trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. But since I'm going out of town, I'm giving an extra day to see what we can do. So appreciate y'all tapping in once again. And I will catch y'all tomorrow. Ending the stream now.